They try to stop.
Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Siric again here with another video. Today's video we're gonna be doing some bleach dye to this t-shirt here. Now, not only that we're gonna be doing some bleach dye, we're also gonna be adding a little twist on there, you know? Probably paint like my I don't know, my new brand. We're gonna brand it right here or something. I don't know. But we're gonna try and make this look fly. This t-shirt is fading. I'm not sure if you guys can tell in the camera. I used to use this shirt a lot, so it's like kind of fading now, and it's kind of bothering me because like I didn't want to go out and buy another one. Well, I probably am gonna go buy another one, but yeah, this is gonna be a fun project, guys. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, bleach dye, I'm gonna show you guys some pictures right now.
Trying to kill me, but these haters kill me. I'm laughing, it's silly. I'm close to a milli. Bitches, they tip me. My tank ain't on empty. And if you ain't with me, then do what you want. In the city.
Alright, now that you know what they are, there's two things that we need for this. Some bathroom bleach spray, possibly this, some bleach, and some spray paint. Now, you guys don't have to use this specific bottle. If you guys have any bleach at home, any bottle bleach, laundry bleach, you can put it in a spray bottle, spray. I have these, so I'm gonna use these. Alright, now we're back in my room where I'm gonna be doing the bleach process. After I do the bleach process, I'm gonna get the shirt dried. And then, yeah, start doing my branding with probably some spray paint, to be honest. I did spray paint some designs onto t-shirts before, and let me show you how they came out. Spray painted this shirt over 2 years ago, actually, with like some dollar spray paint at Walmart. What I did was I cut a stencil out on cardboard, laid it over, sprayed it, and bam. This is the Punisher Mopar logo. Yeah, so I'm pretty confident that spray paint should be able to do the job. Yep. So, we got the t-shirt on the floor. Now I'm gonna get the bleach sprays and the squirt bottles. Let's get to work.
Iffy. Slept on floors and couches off of this dream. I don't see a chance of me not winning, bitch. Fuck it.
Alright, so we got the bleach squirted on there. You can kind of see the line designs on there. Looks pretty clean, looks pretty dope. Yeah, so we're gonna have the bleach dry. I got some on the floor, but it doesn't matter. The floor is white anyways. So we're gonna let that dry a little bit. One more thing, guys, I am done with these gloves. They're annoying. It's hard to use a camera with them, so yeah, I'm taking them off. I wouldn't suggest it though. It's actually coming out pretty clean, as you guys can tell from that beautiful time lapse. Hit the like button for that. It looks pretty damn dope. We're gonna have to rinse it in the washer in cold water, and yeah, we're just putting a rinse cycle. So see you guys at the washing machine. All right, so I'm gonna put this in the washer and then start cutting out some stencils. We just put it on rinse cycle, so when that's done, I'm gonna go check on it. But for now, I'm gonna be drawing out the stencil so I can spray paint the R for my new brand, Realist, as in a realist, not the real, not something is realist, but a realist as an artist. But I'll explain that later. Alright, there you have it. The R stencil right there. Oh yeah, also guys, sorry for interrupting this video, but there's gonna be some realist merch for sale available for you guys now. Just click the link in the description. I think it'll be like 30 bucks a t-shirt. Yeah, so purchase it, and then they'll give you guys instructions to how you guys can send me your shipping information and stuff. But yeah, dope tees, cop right now, realist merch. Believe it or not, I'm gonna be spraying it with this paint right here. I got all the prep work ready. So yeah, wish me luck. I hope I don't mess it up. Alright y'all, so yes, I changed my shirt. It got pretty hot earlier. The shirt is done. It's done. So before I get into the shirt reveal, please guys, if you guys want to help support the movement, realist, it's dropping. Make sure y'all click the link in the description, copy your realist t-shirts. Alright, let's get into some B-roll.
They try to stop me, they won't catch a body. They playing sloppy, you know that they not me. My aura is godly, they wanna copy. They all above me, what am I to do? Dudes wanna rob me, the street life is not me.
Alright guys, this is the shirt. I think it came out pretty cool. I could have done a better job on the R, but I think it looks way better than it used to, you know? So yeah, guys, if you guys like this video, please hit the like button, comment down below, and make sure to go cop that merch. And also, if you guys are new, please hit the sub button right down there. Greatly appreciated. Let me know what you guys think. Peace.